Let's take a look at how to create a playlist using Savvas Realize. First, click Browse, then select your Grade 6 textbook. Along the left-hand side, you'll find a menu with all of your units. Choose the unit that applies to you, then explore the left-hand menu to find various texts and lesson components. Choose the text you're interested in exploring. Once you've found a section you're interested in adding to your playlist, click the three-dot menu and push Add to Playlist. From here, you can choose to add to an existing playlist or create a new playlist. Consider adding the student ebook for easy assignment of the audio, various level text or Spanish translations for easy accommodations, and the various practice pages that you might want to use with each text. After creating your playlist, you can find your playlist by clicking My Library. From here, you can click the playlist to view your selections, share the playlist with another teacher by pressing Share Playlist, or edit the playlist using the three-dot menu. When editing, you can click and drag the selections to rearrange, or click the X to remove your selection from your playlist. Be sure to push Save to save your changes. Creating a playlist can save you time by reducing the time it takes to search for resources throughout Savvas Realize, increases the ease of collaboration as it allows you to share your selected texts with teammates, and it keeps a folder of activities from year to year that you can easily refer back to. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions.